See, that's what we need, because this board ain't going to be clean all the time. So if we...
yeah, that's going to distort the contrast a little bit.
Yep. So let's see what happens. And I do have yellow chalk, so I can switch to that if it's more visible. But looking at the screen there, it looks pretty good. We're going to change gears for a second here and go from intermediate algebra all the way back to 085, our pre-algebra. This is our order of operations, and maybe you remember the mnemonic device used back in the day. It's "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," where P stands for parentheses, but it really means any grouping symbols, whether it's an absolute value or it's braces or brackets or parentheses. And I'll ask you, because I do have an audience today, how do my braces look? The left one's better than the right, but still legible.
Beautiful.
The E stands for exponents. And I might have to work on my spelling. I think that looks right. Multiplication. And I'll just abbreviate here. And this is division. And the reason why I'm going to abbreviate is I'm going to take a little further. Now, these two operations are actually the same operation. One goes one way, builds it up, and one goes the other way, breaks it down. These are not, we do not have to do multiplication before we do division. What we do have to do is work them from left to right in any equation. Just like we read a book, we move from left to right. Well, the same thing goes for our addition and our subtraction. The order doesn't really matter as long as we work them from left to right. So we have our grouping symbols, such as parentheses, our exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and we work it from top to bottom, left to right, just like we'd read a book. And I'd show you an example, but I don't have one right off the top of my head.
Coolio. What's an exponent?
An exponent is repeated multiplication.
Okay.
If I have like 2 times 2 times 2, I'm multiplying 2 together 3 times, so I would write it as an example, 2 to the 3rd power. That 3 is my exponent. So it's how many times I'm going to repeatedly multiply this number.